The major news coming today is that IIM Ahmedabad gets High Court notice over the admission process. So last couple of weeks ago, I made a video about a student who had put case on IIM Ahmedabad about the admission process because he got rejected by that. His main point was, I want the complete detail about the process. Now High Court have given the notice to IIM Ahmedabad to come on to that, to come out cleanly about the process. So let's check out the news here. That's some major news coming, and from IIM Ahmedabad point of view, in response to the appeal by a candidate with 99.95, it's not 99.5, this was 99.95 percentile. A bench of Gujarat High Court have issued a notice to the IIM Ahmedabad in response to the appeal filed recently by a student changing the weightage for the person interview from the IIM. So now IIMs have to come back to this by August 18. So August 18 को hearing होगा. The hearing is on August 18 about whether the IIMs are doing it right or wrong. So we have to just wait and watch for that. So there might be a possibility that if High Court find this is not as per the UGC rules, so there can be a major trouble, or there can be a change in the process as well. Trouble for IIM, but good for the students that the process can change, become more UGC. Same thing happened in CET last year. Exactly same thing happened when they overnight changed the rules. So students put the case on CET, and then they have to come back as per the AICT rules or as per the UGC rules. See, IIM Ahmedabad is autonomous, everything is good, but they have to follow the rules made by the UGC. Now there are some rules which are very bad, there are some rules which is good and effective for everyone. So this is the news we have. So 18th August will be the date where we will be looking forward for what happens and whether this year process might change. CAT exam is not going to change, nothing going to change, only the weightage might change based on the feedback from the court. So but this gives me the opportunity to look at the what is the criteria for IIM Ahmedabad. Alright, I've taken to our website ceticking.com/IIM. You can check out the weightage for all the IIMs, but I'm comparing here IIM A, B, C. CAT weightage, this is round 1. To get the call, in CAT score you have to get 85 percentile, 10 12th ka weightage 10%, 10%, 10%, 5% weightage for the WorkX. On the basis of this you will get the call. So 65% weightage for the CAT score, 35% weightage for the 10-12 graduation. IIM Bangalore, 40% weightage is for your CAT score only, and 50% weightage is for your 10-12 marks, 8% for WorkX and 2% for the gender. So you can only damage you can do is 40%. 60% damage is already done. See, these things you can't control. 60% thing is already over. Before you even give the exam, 60% game is over. Only 40% game is left. Same for IIM Calcutta. 56% weightage is for CAT and remaining 46% weightage for the 44% weightage for the other things. Now this is where the bias comes. तो भाई तुम CAT ले क्यों रहे हो यार? IIM Bangalore को तो मैंने I made a video earlier. भाई तुम सीधा 10-12 में जाके उठाओ ना स्टूडेंट को. 20% weightage for the 10th class. When I was not even aware of that I am going to go for my MBA, 20% weightage is for that. Trust me, I want IIM Bangalore to go and check the weightage, check the 10-12 marks of all the CEOs of the country and find out how many of them have scored above 80. Then make this rule. But anyway, तो अगर कोर्ट का नोटिस हक में गया तो these things can change. Alright, now come to stage 2. Once you get the call, ठीक है, तो जैसे भी करके we got the call. Now to convert your call, CAT weightage is 25%, academic weightage is 15%, VAT 10% and PI 50%. Even if you get the call, 40% damage is already done. Only 60% damage is what you can do, which is still okay. Look at IIM Bangalore, 25% CAT score in round 2. This is once you get the call to convert the call. Phase 2. This is after interview. So academic weightage 35% is still academic, 10% WorkX, 30% interview, 10%, 40% is my CAT CET score, my GDPI VAT, 35% is again academic record. So all the people in IIM Bangalore, students in IIM Bangalore are academically superior, yeah, as compared to their com skills, their PI scores. Sorry. Yeah, IIM Calcutta 30% weightage for CAT score, no weightage for academics, 8% for WorkX, 4% diversity, 10% VAT, 48% PI. Now the student have challenged this weightage. Now this is the weightage they have to check whether this is as per the government rules or not. So you have to wait and watch for that. How you feel about this? Whether the process should change or should not change, please do comment. But again, here biased comments आएंगे. Those who have a very good academic record, they say no, please don't change, please don't change. But those who have not very good academic record, obviously they will want a change. So this is obviously a vicious cycle. My agenda is very clear. In phase 2, more and more weightage should be on PI. Once student get a call, yaar, why you are looking at my marks again? हो गया ना, CAT का score is already taken. After interview, why you are checking my CAT का score? ठीक है. According to this is my feel. This is the way I feel. Same way, if I go back to the CAT score, getting the call, more and more weightage should be in the CAT score. Why you are giving too much weightage for these things? Yeah. So go to cetking.com/IIM. You can find out the details about every college. How you feel about this? Please do comment.